Hey, I'm Elizabeth, and I am a huge fan of the breads and pastries from Starbucks. Got lemon, pumpkin, banana bread, all so good. Such a great little snack or pick-me-up or breakfast. So I'm about to show you how to make this Copycat Starbucks lemon loaf. It's so easy and tastes just like the real thing. Let's get started. Mix together 1 box of yellow cake mix, 2 boxes of lemon pudding mix, but not the instant kind, a half a cup of oil, 4 eggs, 8 ounces of sour cream, a half a cup of milk, and 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix that together with a hand mixer or a stand mixer until everything is nice and combined. Then you're gonna pour this mixture into 2 loaf pans, which have been prepped and greased. Then pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes, and then let them cool completely. For the icing, you're gonna whisk together 2.5 cups of confectioners sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix that all up with a whisk until it's nice and smooth. Spoon it evenly over your lemon loaves and let it set up for about 30 minutes before you dig in. And here we have it. Look at that awesome yellow color. It looks just like the real thing with the icing. Let's give it a taste. It's the perfect balance of sweet and tart, and it's so good. I hope you make this Copycat Starbucks recipe, and let me know if you have any other cool Copycat recipes in the comments below. Subscribe for more fun videos, and thanks for watching. See you next time.